Well, hello everybody! Welcome back! Hope everybody's doing well and enjoying this new year. Anyhow, I just want to quickly say that working with a friend nutritionist that we came upon this new drink that I'm going to make for you. Anyways, it's a healthy one and I hope you guys try it and really enjoy it. Anyways, to me, just want to spiel off a little bit. Three things I try to do consistently, and that is to keep my health. So one thing I do is I try to laugh every day. Another thing I try to do is sing a song every day, either with the radio or just singing as I take my little walk and with my MP3. Also, I try to do at least 22 minutes to 33 minutes of walking every day. It doesn't have to be fast. It can be a short leisure walk. If you can't get outside, come onto a treadmill, elliptical, on a bike, or something just to keep mobile. Right? These are the three things I like to do. Of course, I might be talking a little bit too much, but having lots of money makes life a little more comfortable, but it's like the old saying says, if you haven't got your health, you know what that means. So anyways, trying to keep healthy is the key to living a long life. It's two other things mainly are to watch what you eat, try to stay away from processed foods, and for me, I try to stay away from that as much as possible, and junk food. Occasionally I'll dip in there. Can't say that I'll avoid it entirely, but same with salt and pop. I'm not one for that, but that's the thing. Also, as we age, we tend to lose muscles, so I try to do not really like weightlifting, but light weights just to keep tone, whatever muscle I have left, and so that's my little secret. Anyways, I hope you guys join me on this drink and give it a go. And it's a good one, healthy, and give it a try. You can let me know, or you can just continue with the drink and enjoy. Let's do it. And we're in the kitchen and we're getting ready to do our special drink. You're gonna love it. It's got all these ingredients, and each one of them has a lot of nutrients and everything that you essentially need to keep you happy, healthy, and keep the system running. First of all, I've got the gluten-free oats. I got this small one that I'm gonna blend it up first, and this way it grounds it. You can do it without grounding it, but I like to ground it, and it sort of releases the aroma of the oat, so to speak. But I like to put the gluten-free ground oats in. Just give it. See how it grounds it up? Yeah, just let it ground it up. And then we're ready for the next step. Your preference on how much you want to make, how big of a drink you want to make. If you're making it for yourself or for friends or family to share with you, then you add more ingredients. But you keep it consistent with the ingredients I'm using, and you're okay. Right? This is essentially all you need. Pumpkin seeds, if you can, try to use the unsalted pumpkin seeds. This way you stay away from the salt. Blueberries, natural. Dates, natural. Bananas, natural. Apple, it's your preference on what apple you want to use. These ones are ambrosia. I like those. And the oat milk is gluten-free, lactose-free. It's I don't know why they call it milk, but it's oat milk, and it's going to be used. And you could use milk if you want, but for me, I like to use the dairy-free and lactose-free. So what we're going to do now is start with the dates. The other stuff will come one by one. So It all depends on what quality of date you like. I like a better quality, so I like to invest in a better quality. What you got is the top piece. You just pull it off, discard it. Then in the center, you can either do this with a knife or whatever. You just split it apart, take out the seed and a little bit of the husk there. You don't have to remove the total husk. It's good fiber for you. And we just put it into the blender thing. Like I say, you just pick out. Some will have the top, and some already the tops are removed. But again, you can put the knife to it, just a little slit. Open it in half. You see the seed, remove the seed. Some don't even have the seed, but I find that the better quality ones have the seed in there. So just remove the seed and pop it into the blender mixer. And after we put the dates in, there's no particular order. It's all on how you want to do it. And just peel the bananas. You can just chop them up or whatever, but they're soft enough that they'll go good in the blender. I'm just going to use for this one, I'm just mainly making it for me. I'm just going to use 2 bananas. I used 5 dates. And now I'm going to wash the blueberries and use about maybe a quarter of the pack or a third of the pack. The skin on. It's not going to hurt, but you know, just cut it up and remove the center. Pumpkin seeds is up to you how much you want to use. Use it's about just under a cup. It's like a half a cup. And like I say, the oats, I grounded them in the blender as well, and I like it this way. But you can use the whole oats. If you do, use the smaller oats. They're a little bit better. Gluten-free or not gluten-free, it's up to you. So I'm going to put maybe about half a cup of the oats. Then we're going to put the oat milk, and we're ready to blend it. But we put the mix together, we put it in there, we blended it about 15-20 seconds. First I start with the pulse, so it chops up what needs to be chopped, and then I let it go for 15-20 seconds, high speed, finish it off, and it's ready to drink. Pour it out into a nice container. It's actually like a smoothie. Another thing you might want to do, maybe in the summertime, hot summer, you can add a few ice cubes in there just to give it that little coolness, and it's nice. It's like a freezy or something. But for now, we're just gonna pour it in there, like a smoothie. Oh yeah. Why not a big straw to suck it up with? All right. Well, anyways, I hope you enjoyed, and hopefully you'll give it a try and tell me what you think, or give it about a week and see how your body reacts. If you're feeling better, which I hope, and you're doing the essentials, keeping the body moving. Like I said, I do those 3 things. I sing, I try to laugh, try to laugh every day, and you know, at least do a little bit of walking. If you can't get outside, try the inside stuff. And anyways, enjoy. All the best. Keep on watching What's Next with Joey, and we'll keep bringing you more things to hopefully enjoy along the way. Thank you for subscribing, and yes, me and Clara will keep you in tune with what we're doing. All right, enjoy.